Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha, and on today's video I decided to sit down and finally try out KKW Beauty by the beautiful, gorgeous Kim Kardashian West. I'm pretty sure you guys know who she is, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard from this cosmetics line. Everybody and their mother have talked about something from her makeup brand. So I finally decided to order some things, which are her KKW x Mario collab. I got the bundle and also her concealer, which is like a three-step system. So I picked out everything. I wanted to do like a KKW Beauty like first impressions on the whole brand, but honestly you guys, my bank account cannot keep up with that. I already spent enough on this product, so I still hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you guys are like me and want to know if this actually is worth your money and worth the hype, then make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I let you guys go, if you haven't yet, please make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you guys know every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, if you guys want to know about the three-step system and the KKW x Mario collab, then make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright, so I went ahead and zoomed the camera in, and of course I'm gonna go ahead and get started using the eyeshadow palette. I personally really like the packaging. It's really pretty and sleek and just pretty. So this is $45 and it comes with 10 eyeshadows. They're really pretty, and from what I've seen they're super pigmented, so let's go ahead and see if that's true or not. It comes with a mirror and it's just overall pretty. The eyeshadow names are in the back, which sucks. I wish they had it right here. And I also wonder if this gets dirty fast or if something you can clean. And what it looks like, let me see, something you can clean. Nobody ever mentioned that from the videos I saw. So yes, you can clean this up really easily. It's not like the old Jaclyn Hill palette, you know, that it gets stained and you can't remove the eyeshadows easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started by priming my eyes. I'm gonna get my Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC and go ahead and apply this all over my eyes. And I'm sorry you guys if my eyebrows look uneven. Honestly, it took me again 25 minutes to do my eyebrows today. My eyebrows are my biggest struggle ever. And also you guys, last week I had like clear skin for the first time, and then look, that's what happens when I feel really confident about my skin. Okay, so once we are primed, I'm gonna go ahead and set that with this shade right here, and I think this is called Bronzy or Decade. Okay you guys, every time the names are in the back I get super confused because that one doesn't look like Bronzy. This one looks like Bronzy. Maybe this one's Decade? I don't know. I'm gonna get this shade right here and I'm gonna set on my eyes. And I'm just choosing a fluffy blending brush and I'm just running that shade all over my eyes. Alright, so after I'm done with that, I'm gonna be getting this shade right here, and I'm not even gonna try. Let's see, this shade is called Miami, I believe. This one right here is like the perfect matte shade. Now I'm just gonna focus that on my crease, and I'm just using a fluffy brush to do that. This is the Morphe M535 brush. So I went ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit more just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Hopefully that's better for you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, let's see, and use this shade right here, which I think is called Libra. Maybe? I have no idea, but I'm a Libra. I was born October 20th. So I'm just going to be choosing this shade right here. And I'm picking that up with a Morphe M505 brush. These are really good eyeshadows so far. They're really pigmented, but again, they're not hard to blend, which I love. Ooh, you guys, should I do a smoky bronze look? I think that's what I'm going to do because honestly, I'm so tired of seeing this blue everywhere. Don't get me wrong, it's beautiful. Let me go ahead and swatch it. It is really pretty, it is really pigmented, but it is so like overhyped. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna grab my Tarte Shape concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Alright, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, which I feel like this one's called Bronzy. It just looks like a bronzy shade. It's perfect. And I'm gonna use my MAC 242 brush. I'm gonna first apply it without wetting the brush and see how it is, and if we have to, I'll go ahead and wet the brush. This is so pretty and it's so pigmented, and I have not wet the brush. I'm just doing packing motions. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is again grab that same brush, the Morphe M505 brush, and that, what is it called? Maybe that Libra shade or Albanian shade, I have no idea. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that and just blend the harsh outer corners out. So you guys can see that shade that I used, that bronzy shade, I think that's what it's called, gave me a little bit of fallout. Honestly, you guys, I have no idea why I cannot figure out which things are which. So I'm sorry if I'm annoying everybody that's like, oh my god, it's so obvious. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my eyeshadow look. I'm grabbing this dark brown shade right here with a Morphe M321 brush, and I'm just gonna focus that on my outer corners, mostly on that lash line, just to make everything more smoky. Alright, so I went ahead and cleaned up my face with some makeup removers. I use the AOA Studio Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes Styler Rose Water ones. They're $1. You can get them from Shop Misty, and they actually work and they're amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes, apply some mascara, and then apply some lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to be using my Bombshell Cosmetica lashes. These are in the style Bling. They're so beautiful, you guys. This is the only company I have a discount code with, which is super exciting for me. So you guys can go ahead and use Taisha 10 at checkout for some money off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that up on camera and then apply some foundation. So let me do that and then I should be right back. Alright, so foundation and lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to conceal my face, bake, and brighten, which is her whole 3-step system, which honestly I really like her whole advertising for that. It's something different and new. So I have everything you need. So I picked out the shade in number 5 as far for the concealer. Hopefully it's not too light. I was having a difficult time figuring out which shade to pick out, but I went for number 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this under my eyes. Ooh, I like this shade. It's a little bit too light. I'm not used to something so light. My favorite concealer is the ColourPop concealer, and for that I think I'm in the shade 28. So I did all of this without dipping twice. It was just one time and just did all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out with my Real Techniques blending sponge. And this concealer, they say, is full coverage and is perfect for everybody. So if you have more mature skin, this will work for your skin. And honestly, this looks beautiful and it's blending out amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the whole baking part. I heard from a lot of people, or the videos I have seen, that you don't want to use this with a wet brush. So I'm gonna use it with a dry beauty sponge, which I have another Real Techniques blending sponge. I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram. I showed you guys I found this at Marshall's for only $18. So I have a lot of sponges to use. Check your local Marshalls. Alright, you guys, so after 5 minutes I finally got that sticker out, honestly, and I don't even have acrylics on. So this is how much I put in the back of the lid, and I'm gonna use my dry beauty sponge. That's what it looks like right here, and let's apply it. Whoa, that looks so nice. I love anything that has yellow undertone. I feel like it works amazing for my skin tone. Alright, so really quickly I went ahead and bronzed up my skin. I used my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer. I love this. It smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up a little bit under my contour to see just what it does. So I'm grabbing the same baking powder in the shade number 3 once again. And I'm just gonna grab my dry beauty blender and just cut it right here. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move on to step number 3, which is the brighten part. So again, I picked out the shade number 3. I actually really like the packaging for her line. I think it's really pretty and just clean. So this is what it looks like right here. So this definitely looks like an eyeshadow pan, but again, it's just for your under eyes, which is why I believe she did them so small and not so big. But anyways, I'm gonna grab my AOA Studio F19 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, and I don't even know how much. I'm gonna start little by little, just like that, and apply this right here under my eyes. This has like a sheen. Oh, and it has a mirror as well. I like that. This has like a sheen. Yeah, can you guys see that? This like highlights your under eye. I don't know if I like that. I feel like this emphasizes my texture more. Alright, so honestly you guys, I feel like this is my least favorite product of this whole collection, or of this whole video. I feel like it makes me look really white, maybe because of my skin tone. Maybe it's not for me, because I've seen other people look amazing when they use this, but I feel like this is a little bit too light for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the under eye. So I'm gonna use that same shade right here, And I'm applying that shade messily under my eyes because I do want it to look smoky. After I'm done with that, I'm taking the shade one more time with my Morphe M531 brush. For my inner corners, I'm grabbing this beautiful shade right here. It's like a champagne color, really pretty. And I'm gonna apply that to my inner corners. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to our lips. I went ahead and skipped on the highlighter today because honestly, I really feel like I look really white under my eyes, so I don't want to bring more highlight to my face. And move on to our lips. Like always, I need to apply a lip liner. If not, I'm doing my own lips wrong. So I'm gonna use my NYX brown lip liner. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different lip combinations just because I want to try them all. So the first one is the lipstick, which is the main thing. This is the KKW X Mario Collab lipstick in the shade Classy K. In the beginning, I'm not going to lie, I didn't like the packaging, but now that I have it, I actually appreciate the packaging. So this is like the perfect nude shade, which she's famous for wearing. This is super creamy. What do you guys think of this shade? I feel like this is something I will use, especially with the makeup I have going on today. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shade in Super Nude, which is a lip gloss in their collab as well. I like the packaging, it's pretty. This is really nude, which I love. I live for lip combos like this. I love nude lip combination. So once again, I lined my lips with NYX brown lip liner, and now I'm gonna be wearing Super Nude. So once you guys, you know what I just realized? I got 2 Super Nude lip gloss. What the hell? Alright guys, so I went ahead and emailed them and let's see what they tell me. I'll keep you guys updated maybe on Instagram, Snapchat, or in my next video. But yeah, now I have 2 Super Nude lip glosses, but I do like them. Overall, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my opinion on each and every single product I used today. So the KKW X Mario palette, I feel like it's beautiful done. It blends amazing. It reminds me a lot of the colors she would use. I like how everything was pigmented but not too pigmented that it wouldn't blend. It just blends amazing. So if you guys have this eyeshadow colors already in your collection, I don't think you need this, but if you don't have like that classic neutral everyday palette with that fun pop of blue, then I feel like this is for you. Or if you're thinking of getting this palette but just need that little push to get it, I do recommend it. You will not be disappointed. It's a good palette to have in your collection. I also tried her concealer, which I honestly really like. I like how it's lightweight yet full coverage and it blends out amazing. I do like the shade I got. I can probably go a little bit darker with shade number 6 or 7. I don't know which one it is, but I do like how it's yellow tone, which I love. So I do recommend the concealer so far. It is $18, so it's up to you if you guys want it or not. And then to set that, I used the KKW powder, which looks something like this. I honestly really do like this powder and I am gonna keep using this combination. I feel like it's nice to have and it really did make my under eyes look really pretty until I applied this brightening thing. I don't really like this, you guys. I have texture. I have a lot actually of texture under my eyes, on my cheeks. It's just like my problem area on my face. So I do not like this because it does emphasize my texture. Like if I zoomed you guys in really zoomed in, you guys would see my texture coming in. So I do not like this, but I feel like if you're lighter than me and do not have texture, you're really gonna like this. And then of course the KKW little lip product. I cannot tell you guys about that other color, but I can tell you that this lip combination is like Kim Kardashian in a bottle. This is beautiful. I mean, it's just a lipstick, so it's up to you. It does not last all day. Like I said, it's just a lipstick. So if I had to pick 3 things and 3 things only, I will pick the powder, which I really like. The concealer, it's really good and full coverage and it doesn't feel heavy under your eyes. And of course, the beautiful KKW X Mario palette. The only thing I did not like about KKW Beauty is that you had to pay for shipping, even though I already spent way over $100. So that's the only thing I feel like they can fix, is their prices. So overall, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, you guys, it's pretty much all. Let me know which are your favorite products and which product you guys are going to be picking up, or if you guys are just gonna pass on the whole KKW beauty line. So let me know in the comments below. I love reading your comments. Thank you all so much for showing me so much love and support, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.